Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to talk about the discounts that the Tesla is given in the inventory. And as you can see right now on the checks right here, say Jonathan Referral, right? So if you guys use my referral code, the savings from $500 and could go up to like $2,500. And yesterday, while I was browsing, right, I noticed that the Tesla is giving like reduced pricing quite a bit. And if we go to, and I noticed that is on the performance model as well too. So right now we're looking at the Tesla Model Y, right? And this is a new vehicle. So we click on the performance and you can see this, the reduced price is really amazing. So if you're in the market to for a Tesla and then you're looking for a performance, this is crazy good deal. So the first one we're looking at here, it's a performance all-wheel drive, and it's a 2025, which is a good deal. And the paint color is what? And then the wheels, 21-inch interior and 5 seats. And on the right-hand side, we got the interior color is white, and also it has the tone as well too. And this one is the demo vehicle, and it has 1,063 miles, only about $130 more. So if we click on this vehicle, we'll see the savings real quick. So let's click on it and let's see how much we actually save. So again, if you use my referral code, you will see that you know $500 off, and this does not apply to the launch series. All right, so looking at this is the cash price wise, so it's like $36,800, and the price adjustment $6,690, right? Color stealth gray, 21-inch, all the goodies. And if you guys qualify for the $7,500 EV tax credit as well too, so which is good, awesome right there. And if you wanna full self driving, $8,000 more. And if you need any charger, mobile connector, or home charger, right there, accessories, and warranty-wise, we already know about that one. And then you can pick this up in Montebello. Immediate pickup, guys. It's there. So it looks like Tesla is trying to get rid of the inventory real quick, because usually Model Y, we don't get that much of a discount, or now they call it reduced pricing, so price adjustment. So this is a brand new car. Usually when they do the price adjustment, it's either it has some kind of damage to it cosmetically, or maybe a demo vehicle, right? But this one is a new vehicle, so pretty much Tesla needs to get rid of the vehicle. So as far as Tesla stock wise, it's been down like crazy. So maybe now they try to get rid of it, or making room for the new the refresh model, the Juniper. Who knows? But if you're looking at to lease it, it's about $473 a month, and if you're looking to finance it, it'd be $565 a month. And then we can actually go into more details about the terms and the saving as well too. So as you can see here, $0 due at sign available. Okay, so you could do that. And usually people do like $4,000 payment, and then it goes for 72 months. And then assuming we have good credit rating, and then the APR now is quite high, it's 5.8, but I think that's pretty good for this kind of rate. Because when I got mine, it was 5.34, and I have like really good credit as well too, and that was like what, two and a half years ago. So now the interest rate is just off the roof. However, if you this is a Tesla financing, if you really want to do like quick and easy and get submitted and pick up the car right away, go through Tesla financing. So this one I really don't know if it's Tesla financing or they actually outsource it, because before when I did all this stuff too, I thought I was financing through Tesla, but it actually with Wells Fargo. So, and afterward, or you can even find your own credit union, usually is cheaper and the rate are better than what Tesla is offering. So you can do that route as well too. And if you do, the bank usually give you 30 days on their approved APR rate. So after 30 days, it will increase or it will change. So just so you know. Right, so let's go check on another vehicle. Let's check out the demo one. Let's see the demo. All right, there you go. $500 saving, right? Nice. This one is $8,560 price adjustment. And I try to click on that just to see what really is, if there's a breakdown on the price adjustment, so that way at least we get a clearer picture. But it doesn't show us. But other than that, this one has a pretty nice. It has a tow hitch, just in case if you want to tow something. The hitch is there because the hitch alone is about $1,000, right? And the interior color too is like another $1,000, so that's $2,000 right there. So you're paying only $130 more. As for the demo vehicle, the mileage, 1,000 miles is nothing, right? So don't even worry about it if it's demo. If the saving is there a lot, I would take a demo any day because you'll be the first owner of it anyway. It's just only the mileage. Again, the warranty wise for you 50,000. So here it actually does state here that meets Tesla cosmetic and medical standards or mechanical standards. So basically maybe they touch up or maybe had a little bit dent here and there, something like that. But this one you can pick up in San Diego, right? It's available for pickup immediately, which is nice. So yeah, back in my days when I was looking for a Tesla, I just keep on looking at the inventory and then it's gone. There was like 6 months, 8 months wait. Okay, let's see. That's the Model Y. So let's see Model 3, if there's any savings to the Model 3. So they do have reduced saving as well too. So let's go with the first one, see what we see. How much savings for Model 3 is. All right, so if you use my referral code, order a new Model 3 by March 3rd and receive $2,500 off your vehicle price for cash or finance, right? And if you lease it, it'd be $500. Oh man, this is awesome, guys. So if you're in the market for Tesla, use my referral code for $2,500 off on this performance right here. Right, okay, so not bad. You can see the adjustment. It's $1,050. And this one you get pretty cool. Black and white premium interior, 20-inch. This is the refreshed model, so looks like a mini Model S. Pretty nice. I test drove the rear-wheel drive, and it was really fast, and it was really stable, really good. So I can't imagine the performance. It's probably going to blow my mind away as well, too. I did test drive 2023 performance with my wife, and man, and that's what got me into a Tesla. Loved it. Thought I was on a roller coaster. So let's see. Why don't we just pretend that we're going to go through with this order, continue, and see what the finance and all the details. All right, so you can see here, the price for this is $54,990, and it included the stealth gray color, the 20-inch wheel, the black and white premium interior. I didn't know that's included. Usually it costs $1,000 more. Autopilot, the basic one included, and you get a 30 days full self-driving trial, and you get a 30 days premium connectivity, vehicle price, and then a price adjustment. And then also, you can see here, the referral, awesome, $2,500. And then we get charged destination fees and order fees. And minus the federal tax credit, $45,580. Man, that is a sweet, sweet price, you know. I'm paying a lot more for my long range 2023 model. Jesus Christ. It's all about timing, guys. So when I bought the car, it was really bad timing. I didn't know that, though, for sure. Right, so let's check out another vehicle. See, there's... all right, let's see the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck. Wow. The Cybertruck. So this one is $72,000. Right, click on the Cybertruck. Saving. Again, the Cybertruck price is only, I'm surprised, it's only $1,000 off. And the Model 3, you get $2,500. But still, $1,000, not bad. So lease if you can lease a Cybertruck for $735 a month, right? So some of you, what I see a lot on the road is people buying the Cybertruck and either wrap it with their business logo or business signs and promotions that they whatever that they're running, which is cool. You know what I mean? Nice, because for the Cybertrucks always get like, you know what, like people turning their heads. You know, they always, you know, like, what is that? You know, is that a spaceship? So it's a good thing that, you know, so you can advertise your own business on there, whatever promotions you're running. You know, it's an eye catching, you know, which is neat. Let's see if you go to the financing part. So this is the all-wheel drive. So you're looking at about 1,100, maybe say 1,200 a month. And let's see, what are we looking at here? So again, the down payment is only 3,472 months. This can change if you put more down payment. So let's say if you put let's say you can do $0 down. Wow, still not bad. But let's say some people might put down 10,000. Let's see how much. 10,000 goes out to 1050. So not much of a deal. Let's say $20,000 down. See how much. Bring it down to 800. Yeah. Well, if you do $0, if you could do $0, I would do $0 for 1,300 a month. But 1,300 a month for a car, that's crazy. That's a lot of money. Yeah, but everything is information there. You can make you can change the term if you like. 36 months if you have a lot of money. Or you can go even further out as 84 months, you know. But you notice that the APR changes from 5 something to 6.7. So they got to make some money some way, somehow, right? And so let's see, we can go to the, if we were to order this, and let's see the price detail. So this one, it's almost $80,000 truck. Everything's included, blah, blah, blah. And before 1,000, destination fees is more. It's almost $2,000 for this one. The other one is about $1,390, and the orders fee. So your truck's gonna be about $82,000. Awesome, crazy, expensive. All right, so that is, and then we do have reduced pricings here. So this is a demo model. We can try this one, see what's going on. The demo, see how much reduced pricing we get. $1,000 off, which is nice, right? So this one, the price adjustment is $3,340. So I'm getting some kind of allergy in the morning. Well, let's see if they still have the foundation of the beast. Usually very bottom. Where is it? Tesla has a lot of the Cybertruck, so it looks like this, at the price that they're asking, it's not going to move. They're going to have to lower the price. Yeah, we have a lot. Where's the foundation series? Last time I looked, I still see like some foundation series as well too. It's got to be, because don't tell me it's sold already. They have a lot of Cybertrucks, so they need to give more incentive for it to be sold, or reduce the price too much. 94,000. Okay, we got some here. We got the all-wheel drive foundations here, 94,000, included FSD, free supercharging, still here. Let's see the Beast. The Beast last time, I think it was like 113 was the saving with the foundation series. Yeah, it's still 113 here. Right, so yeah, if you want to buy the Beast. Let's see, what other vehicles you want to look at? Maybe the Tesla senior executives mentioned that they're going to have the refresh Model S and X. So Model X getting expensive is up there with the price increase, and they give you the free supercharging. And this one's new vehicle, and is it moving or no? Yeah, less than the Cybertruck for sure. Let's jump on this one just to see what is the reduced price. $1,000 off on the X. $1,800 reduced price, right? Not bad. Any reduce? Let's say the Model S. Wow, this color is really nice. The all-wheel drive. The paint, reduced price. Let's see. Model S. This one, $2,120. You get free supercharging. Wow. Isn't pretty fast, right? The range is there, the speed is there. Nice. All right, let's try the used model. Let's use Model 3. All right, let's remove the performance. Let's see what the cheapest model that car we can get. So, $20,900. This one, the cheapest one I have. All right. This one is using the LFP battery. You can see because it's 272 miles range. So you can charge this vehicle up all the way to 100%. And looking at the financing part, Pearl White, he included the California savings. So if we hit this, it's going to take away the $4,000. So we're going to see price-wise. Let's see how much you're paying. So this one has how many miles? 36,000 miles. So it's still under warranty. And if you buy a used car from Tesla, you do get additional warranty. You can see right here, right? After your basic warranty. And then the battery, either up to 100,000 miles or 2008 years. So here it give you, since it's a used car, it kind of give you like all the report and all anything that happened to the car, which is good. It has auto check history as well too. So you see how many owners it has. And tells you right here, you can pick this vehicle up in Upland. And let's see the pricing. Let's show the price in detail. Pretty straightforward, $24,900. And with the $4,000 used EV credit come out to be under $21. And paid today's $500. You can pick this up immediately. So, not bad. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, feel free to give it a like, thumbs up, and also subscribe for more content like this. And also, if you're in the market for a Tesla, don't forget to use the referral code for the savings. But other than that, be safe, take care, till next time.